Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs easy. Crack eggs into a bowl, add a splash of milk or cream, and whisk until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt a small knob of butter. Pour eggs in, stir gently with a spatula, and remove while still slightly soft for creamy results. Gently warming the pan makes a big difference in scrambled eggs. Use medium-low heat and a non-stick skillet so eggs cook slowly and stay tender. A flexible spatula helps you fold curds without breaking them up too much. Keep stirring gently and remove the pan from heat just before the eggs look fully set, as residual heat finishes cooking for perfect. Customizing your scrambled eggs is easy and fast for any meal. Stir in grated cheese near the end so it melts into silky curds without drying the eggs. Fold in fresh herbs at the finish to keep their flavor vibrant. If you like vegetables or ham, cook them first and add them just before the eggs are done so everything finishes at the same time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.